guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a short hair tutorial. That's why I don't have my extensions in. This is for all you girls who have super short fine hair like I do, but you want that really thick looking voluminous big messy bun. Let's get started. What you will definitely need before we get started is a scrunchie, and not just a scrunchie but one that matches your hair color the best. I feel like it matches my hair really well. It's like this beigey brown color. You'll also need a hair tie, and this is from Gimme Beauty. These are nylon hair ties. They are super comfortable, but after time they do stretch out a bit. I found that if you just throw them in the wash in the dryer, they will just go back to what they originally were. So yeah, love them. I'll also link them. And you may or may not need these, but I'll link them anyway. But these are some French pins, so will be down below. I'm gonna start off by brushing my hair. I do this with every single hair tutorial. I'm using my favorite brush. This is the detangling brush, and it is also a scalp massager. It feels so good. I have my scrunchie on my right wrist right here, and I'm just going to gather my hair into a pony. Then I'm just going to tie it into a ponytail. Raise your hand if you're in the super fine hair club like I am. Okay, so now that I'm in a pony, I'm just going to divide my hair into two sections, top and bottom. And then I'm just going to flip this upward, and I'm going to use that second hair tie to pretty much tie this into a bun. Next, I'm just going to take this bottom section right here and really gently fan it out. You could even take these little bottom hairs and just kind of like spread them out to help fan it out. And the purpose of this is just to hide the scrunchie. You can't perfectly hide it, which is why you picked one that is really similar to your hair color. And then I'm going to take these hairs here, also kind of fan them out, and then take this section and fan it out over the scrunchie. If you feel like you've pulled out a little bit too much hair, this is where the French pins come in. So just take the section that you pulled out and secure it with a French pin. As for these pieces, you can just leave them, or you could tuck them into your elastic. I'm just going to kind of wrap it around the bun and secure it with a French pin. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys found this hack useful. Let me know what you think, and if you guys tried it out in the comments. Also comment what you want to see next, because sometimes I have no idea what to film, but I'm trying to put out 2 videos a week. Take a look at my Instagram. There's a lot of really quick reels on there of hairstyles. Let me know if you want me to slow any of them down. I'm more than happy to. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.